Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday, hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this super cute, I want to say like it's a booklet, concertina booklet, using my VIP paper lounge for the month of March. Had really fun making this, and then with this sort of template you can make it a proper album, so you can make as many panels as you want. I only made 4, so you can see that it's 4 panels in here, but you can make this as larger as you want, and I just decorate this with my papers. Before I share with you how to make it, I'm going to showcase the paper that I have used today. In case you are new to me, my VIP Lounge is a monthly membership that I do offer on my website, where every month you get loads of digital papers to play with for the price from £2. Okay, I don't know what you get nowadays with £2. In the UK, you can't buy a coffee with £2. So £2, you get loads of digital papers every month, and they're so unique. Okay, so keep watching, and I'll see you very soon. The main collection that you get for the month of March is called the Vintage Portrait Society. So it's quite a lot of vintage theme throughout. So the first page is a collection of lovely characters from the Victorian, could be Edwardian society, and the man dressing beautiful, so the women got hats, etc. So this is black and white. Second page has got some tags with like numbers that you guys can fussy cut. Third page, you got same little tags and numbers in a smaller format, and some tickets. Another page with similar characters but in sepia color. As you can see, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Yeah, it does. And then you've got some more vintage numbers. These are slightly bigger, so I wanted to give you a couple of options in sizes. They will make super cute buttons, so do a project with that. And then the last page is this one, where you've got more numbers, more tickets, and a little cinema tickets in there. Okay. Every month you also get a collection of bookmarks, which you can use them as tags. And in this month's, this is the collection, is 4 little tags / bookmarks, and you got, I don't know if you can see them, you got like butterflies and fairy dust, and they all feature like little tea mug. And again, I wanted to keep it all like vintage feel. And every month my VIP members get a 3D letter gift box. We nearly finished the alphabet, so we are on letter W, and then after the alphabet we will do the numbers. So I got the 0 till 9. Okay, so that will make all the gift box for numbers. But this month is letter W, so you have an assembly instruction sheet where you can see where all the tabs go, and you get 2 sheets. So the first one is this one here. When you get the front of the letter and all the tabs, you print this on a little thicker cardstock, so your 3D letters will stay hard and strong. And because I had this space here, I put some flowers just to fill up the spaces. It's an additional decoration that you guys can use. You can either paint it or color it and then fussy cut it, or you can put it on top of that. But these flowers here are the ones that are in the letter. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, so if I zoom in, you can probably see it. Okay, so again, it's all coordinated. And then the back of the letter, which is this one here, so this will be the reverse of the letter. And then again, because I had quite a lot of space, I gave you an extra gift, which is a pillow box. But let me show you what the letters looks like when it's done up. Okay, that's done. So this is what the pillow box looks like when it's done up, and it's super cute. It's fairly big size, the same size as my hand. And then you can leave it like that, or you can further decorate it. And then this is letter W, and of course, as all my letters stand up on their own. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. if I can reach, E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V, and then letter W. Also guys, every month you will receive a magazine on a PDF format. I've got like a portfolio of different sort of styles magazines. So this month you will get the British Vogue magazine. Of course, it's a past edition. So this one here has 606 pages. So you've got loads of pages. You can either, of course, read on your computer, on your iPad. Of course, it's a PDF, so it's easy to read. Or also you can print any images that you want. And this is great if you do like art journaling or journaling in general. So you can print this picture. If you play with jelly print, you can make your own background. Again, very interactive. These magazines, of course, as I said, you can read them, and also you can print the pages that you want and create lovely craft with them. Last but not least, each month you get a gift from me. And this month is another collection. It's quite large. It's called Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. I actually give you a rhyme as well. So the first page, which you can use it as wrapping paper as well if you want, is this one here. Now, couple of ideas, couple of tips. You can use this as just one page. Also, you can cut them and create some little washi tapes. Okay, so here you can just cut where the ducks are, and then you can use like a blue strip with the flowers, completely up to you. Second page is a collection of embellishments. I know how much you guys like these doilies, so I thought, of course, I have to give it another doily. So it's got 9 little Easter eggs with a little bunny. They're all floral. A page with some more eggs that you guys can fussy cut, and also you can put some gems. I got these little pearls here. They are Adhesive pearls, and I think they're going to look really cool in them. So again, if you can cut them and use them as an Easter decoration, you can just simply hang them. If you print them on cardstock and then just put a little hole, and there you go. Then I gave you a black and white page, and I thought you can just simply like color them. Another page. Now, those 2 pages here, if you print them on vellum, you can actually make some 3D lantern, just put an electric little tea light in, or you can use them, of course, as a decoration to like do like a gift box. And maybe if you do print them on vellum, that can be a lid, so you can kind of see through. Just a couple of more ideas and little tips, but there you go. So you've got some bunnies. Some are circular shaped, some is more like this sort of like Moroccan style, and the last 2 are slightly bigger. And again, the thoughts behind it, that you can use this as a hanging decoration. Okay, so your Easter is sorted. Okay guys, so I'm not going to give you any measurements because it's not all about the measurements at all. So you just need a piece of cardstock that it can be divided by 4. Okay, and then you do this sort of concertina fold. Okay, so it folds like valley, mountain, valley. So again, it folds like this. Okay, and then we're going to have a window here, which will reveal the image there, and also a window here that it will reveal the image that is in there. Okay, so before I attached my panels, and then the panels I cut, they are a little bit smaller than the actual section, so you get a little border. I don't know if you can see, you get a little border there. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to attach them like that. Oh, actually, even like that, they're cute. But before I do so, now you've got two options. You either have, which I have myself, a larger big shot. So I've got an A4, so you can put this through. You can put a die, or to make it easy for everybody, you just draw a frame. Okay, I have my erasable pen, and what I do, I'm going to draw a ½ inch on each side, and then ½ inch there, and ½ inch there. And I'm just gonna draw. This ruler is not big enough, but it doesn't matter. In fact, I've got a big ruler, why not using it? So that's that. And then I'm gonna leave ½ inch on this side and ½ inch on that side. I just basically make myself a border. Okay, so this bit is going to be chopped off, and I do exactly the same on the other side. Okay, so you end up with something that looks like that. Okay, so you just fold it over like that. So last thing we're going to do, we're going to put a panel or acetate sheet. I'm going to put one in there and one in there, and I'm going to decorate each panel, including the two windows, so you can use anything that you want to decorate it. Okay, so because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to decorate it all, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let me show you what it looks like. It's all done. So it opens like that, and you've got a window here at the front, and then it opens like that, and then you've got a window on the back, and then the reverse, just got the two panels, and I just use some of my transfer stickers. Okay, I have loads of them, so I have used them everywhere. And of course I have used my kit. I have used this page, and of course the page with the two figures. I put them in there, and then yeah, I just use literally everything to decorate it. And then just to add a little bit more floral, a little bit more interest, I have used the stickers, the rub-on stickers. Okay, and then on the side I have used a tape. Okay, so this is tape. I just simply cut it in the middle and then use it as a frame. For the acetate, I got this, I bought this off Amazon. Is a heat resistant acetate sheet. Now the good thing about this, that you can actually heat and emboss on them without burning your house down. Yeah, because it's plastic. So just need to make sure if you do projects like that, make sure it says heat resistant, because when you put your sticky and you put your powder and you go through over your heating gun, if it's not heat resistant, the plastic will melt. Okay, and then it could cause fire. Right, this one, the one, because it's heat resistant. So yeah, I have used a little window and a little frame. So these will make a little cute tags, Cosentina tags booklet, if you wish, for a lovely journal. And actually you can put some papers and write in there as well. What do you guys think? I really like it. Right guys, if you wish to subscribe to my VIP lounge papers and get your hands on these lovely papers, let me show you where to find it on my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there, so you see all my papers. Okay, so I merged all my papers into bundles, so you've got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Okay, these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay, then you have my VIP lounge. My VIP lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with a £2 a month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where is £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members, and I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. I truly appreciate your support, and yeah, let me know down in the comments if you will make your version, and if you did, share on my Facebook group so everybody can take inspiration. Okay guys, big thumbs up if you like this video, and then until Friday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.